Hi all, welcome again. Today we will see important facts about prime and composite numbers. First point, the concept of prime and composite numbers applies only to natural numbers greater than 1, not to all integers. Got it? Second point, prime and composite numbers are infinite, meaning unlimited. Third point, 0 is special. It is neither prime nor composite because it has infinitely many factors. It is not a natural number. Prime and composite numbers always have a finite number of factors. So, 0 is neither prime nor composite. Got it? Fourth point, 1 is special. It is neither prime nor composite because prime or composite numbers must have at least two distinct factors, but one has only one factor, that is itself. So, 1 is neither prime nor composite. Got it? Fifth point, 2 is the smallest and the only even prime number. Sixth point, 4 is the smallest composite number. Seventh point, all prime numbers except 2 are odd, but composite numbers can be either even or odd. Got it? Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.